Bjorgum's Key Levels Indicator is built to map important support and resistance zones directly on the chart, then show how price reacts when those areas are tested, broken, or reclaimed. Rather than plotting a horizontal line from every minor swing, the indicator waits for confirmed pivot highs and pivot lows. It uses a look left and look right method, so a level is only created after price has formed a meaningful turning point. This helps reduce noise and gives the chart a cleaner structure to work from. The zones themselves are not fixed width lines. They are built using ATR, or average true range, which allows the level to adjust to the volatility of the market. A faster moving asset will naturally need a wider zone, while a quieter market can use a tighter one. This makes the levels more practical than a single exact price, because support and resistance often behave as areas rather than precise numbers. By default, the indicator uses Heikin Ashi body data as the pivot source. This smooths the price action and can place the zone closer to the area where buyers and sellers have repeatedly interacted. The source can also be changed to candle bodies or full high and low data, depending on whether you want cleaner zones or more sensitive levels. Once the zones are drawn, the focus shifts to price behaviour. A bullish level can act as support when price pulls back into it and starts to move higher. A bearish level can act as resistance when price pushes into it and begins to reject. These reactions help traders read whether a level is still being respected or whether the market is preparing to move through it. The indicator can also mark resistance breaks and support breaks. A resistance break shows that price has pushed through a prior overhead zone. A support break shows that price has moved through a prior support area. These signals are most useful when they appear with clean candle closes, follow-through, and alignment with the broader market structure. One of the more useful features is false break detection. A false breakdown can appear when price dips below support, fails to continue lower, and then reverses back above the zone. This can suggest that sellers were trapped. A false breakup works in reverse, where price pushes above resistance, fails to hold, and then turns lower. These signals can be important, but they should still be confirmed with price action rather than treated as automatic entries. The indicator also includes optional reactions from support and resistance, candle pattern detection, and a TSI curl setting. Candle patterns such as doji candles, engulfing candles, hammers, shooting stars, tweezers, and long shadow candles carry more weight when they form directly inside a key zone. The TSI curl adds a momentum layer by showing when momentum may be starting to shift near one of those levels. For practical use, start with the zones, then read the reaction. Is price rejecting the area, breaking through it, retesting it, or creating a false move? A clean reaction from a higher time frame level will usually carry more value than a signal in the middle of a choppy range. Bjorgum's Key Levels Indicator is often used as a structured support and resistance tool. It helps organize pivot zones, breakouts, false breaks, retests, candle reactions, and optional momentum shifts into one chart overlay. It does not remove the need for market context, and it can still produce weaker signals in low volume or sideways conditions. Used with trend direction, higher time frame structure, and sensible risk management, it can provide a clearer framework for analyzing how price behaves around important levels.